Yes, hello, sir.
Are you gonna join the radio contest?
Yes, sir.
Sino po sila? I need to get your name first.
Ronald Fonseca.
Ronald Fonseca.
Yes, sir.
Your name sounds family. Ronald Fonseca, taga saan ka, pare koy?
Barangay New Kababae.
Barangay New Kababae.
Yes, sir.
Bakit pinangalan ng ano yan, New Kababae?
Dapat may R-O yan eh. Kaso binaro ko eh.
Kababaero. I like that. The best explanation ever.
Pinabura ko eh. Sabi ko hindi bagay.
Uy, biro lang sa mga taga-barangay.
Joke lang.
Joke lang. Patawa lang naman tayo. Para masaya. Alright. And I'm giving away Just Camp Subic gift certificate. 1 GC is good for 2. Alright.
Yep.
How awesome is that? Okay, so first you need to answer about 3 questions about the National Tourism Week celebration that we are having right now.
Yes,
All right? First question, sir. Can you give me, actually not a question. You give me the detail. Kailan yung duration ng National Tourism Week?
September 21 to 27.
21 to 27. You got it right.
Review ako eh.
All right, nag-review. Second question, pare koy.
Sige,
All right. There will be a street party on Friday. One of the highlights actually ng National Tourism Week celebration. Saan naman gaganapin yung street party?
Sa Malawaan Park.
Malawaan Park! And you're all invited. Lahat po tayo punta sa Malawaan Park, ha?
Yes, sir.
This coming Friday. Lahat na nakikinig ngayon. Ayan, makikita nyo doon tong caller natin na si Mr. Fonseca. Ayan. Sasayaw to doon, sasayaw. Gagawin niya yung The Snake Dance. Okay, last question, sir. Last thing for you to do before I officially declare you the winner. All right? Give me the one name of the performer that's gonna perform there. Isa lang, marami yun actually, pero isa lang magpe-perform dun sa Friday Street Party.
Manila Band Inner Voices.
Inner Voices! You got it right. Okay. Familiar ka sa Inner Voices, sir?
Hindi.
Alam mo yung mga songs nila?
Ano nga?
Kagaya nung Please Stay, tsaka Find the Way, ganon. Sikat sa Manila nowadays yung kanta nilang yan eh. It's making huge waves.
Hanggang abra lang ako eh.
Yung Please Stay, ganito yun. Please stay. Yun, ganon. Tapos yung Find the Way naman, Find the Way. Yun, ganon. Okay, congratulations to you, pare ko. You're the winner of the Just Camp GC. May mga gusto ka i-greet?
Meron.
Alam mo na, hindi tayo nang babate, di ba?
Ayoko mong bate.
Mahirap na. Dati kasi bati kami ng bate. Kung ano nangyayari, pare. Ngayon, greet na lang. Sige, lalo na kung ikaw yung mambabate. Ay, nako!
Patay.
Sige, greet ka, pare.
Sige, sir. Binabati ko yung mga office mates ko dito sa SBMA. Sila Sir Jaime Menor, si Richard Tabangin, si Ma'am Mickey Aquino, tsaka si Sir Pax. And then, binabati ko rin po ng happy birthday si Miss Ma'am Army ng PRD. Happy birthday, Madam. And kay Mr. Richard Tabangin din. Happy birthday, sir. At kay Mr. Linus Bakay, yung kumpareng city councilor. Happy birthday, pare ko eh. Saan tayo?
Kilala ko rin yan, si Mr. Bakay. Yung napakagwapong nilalang sa pamilya Bakay. Siya yung pinakagwapo. Pare, pautang ha?
Pare, soft drinks namin ha? And then last, babatiin ko rin ng happy birthday si Mr. Clutch.
Mr. Clutch.
Dante Salbaña. Kilala mo rin yun?
Oo, si Mr. Clutch. Oo.
Patay dun sa Red Team yun eh.
Birthday niya ba ngayon o kahapon?
Birthday niya kahapon eh.
Kahapon.
Batiin mo daw siya.
Oo. Kaya pala may nagpadala sa bahay nung isang buong lechong manok.
Oo. Natanggap mo ba yung regalo ko? Yung uniform mo?
Oo. Kulay green, pare. Oo.
Sakto ba?
Kaya lang, ang laki nung number, nalunod ako. Anyways, okay, congratulations, pare ko. You're the winner. You know where to claim your prize, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige, there you have it. Our second winner. Thank you, pare. There you go. Second winner of the Just Camp gift certificate. And we're not done yet giving away. Mamaya meron tayo.